It's a beautiful Saturday morning here on Upper Birch Creek Road in Pine Hill. Just perfect for an open house. So we're having an open house here this morning, and it's an opportunity for us to showcase this really very nice 1498 square foot chalet, 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and has a very nice view of Bel Air Mountain. So let's take a walk inside and have a quick look. So it's a wraparound deck. And it's just a perfect morning. It's not too warm, not too cool, just right. And this is just a great space to hang out. Into the main great room, very high ceilings, and quite recently renovated. The entire kitchen was done. Appliances replaced. And imagine just sitting here having breakfast and looking out onto that beautiful mountain range out there. And of course, candlelight dinners. Now 2 bedrooms. And the house is on 2 levels. So we'll see the lower level in a minute. Just comfortably sized rooms, very nice. Lovely paneling. And both bathrooms, when you see the second bathroom, you'll know both bathrooms were totally gut run out and redone some time ago and enjoyed by the current owners. This beautiful Moroccan Eastern lighting fixture. And a prep area in this lower level next to the laundry. Little workstation. And that's onto that terrace. Great stone terrace. Lovely to sit out here as well. Have a barbecue. And the sauna, bathroom. Again, beautifully redone compared to the original. Little peep in the sauna. Lovely wood stove, which is just perfect. I mentioned that in the listing as well. And out here back onto the lower level porch. So it's just the perfect Catskills Mountain chalet, little country home, close to Bel Air. A range of area restaurants. Margaretville, the village of Margaretville, just about 20 minutes away. And further east, you've got Phoenicia and Woodstock. And so this is a very central location from which to enjoy the beautiful Catskills. So it is my pleasure to give you this little tour. Leighton Ashley, Coldwell Banker, Timberland Properties, Mount Tramper.